interfacing for my electrical engineer notes or electrical work. Electric voltage. They might notice living in this new house in Austin, you really have to keep up the house, clean around it and everything, brooms and mops and whatever else, pick up cigarette butts, I guess. Yes, Patrick. Go back there yet. I don't know if they're not working back. And my TV still doesn't work because the extension cord they gave me is broken. But the TV's all hooked up. I'm going to go with the Fire TV. Because mine was on account of Carlos too. Doesn't matter. And then, anyway, but I keep my laptop plugged in the refrigerator with its big power cord in. And it's really like that. Unless I figure out something else, because I don't have a light bulb in here right now. It went out, or actually the damn cord ripped off the fan or whatever. But I didn't jerk it, I just think it got old piece of metal. So, I don't know what they're going to do there. I might just have a little, actually, these lights I have. So, anyway, bunch of volts for electrical tension there. Electrical potential between 2 points. This one would be the electrical grid outside, all electricity in the home, lights outside, yeah, but not to mention the leaves and the dirt and everything on the bottom of the house, and probably on the stones too, frankly, which I have, and the grass in the front, and I picked all the weeds and made it just stone. And when I smoke, I usually don't throw my stuff in the trash can. I go out and kick it in the grass and put it out like that, because I don't smoke cigarettes, so they'll just melt into the ground with the water, which is good. I watered the outside basin. I picked the plants out there, the little flowers, whatever. Put the mosaic rocks in there, and then the big tree. What else? I empty all the trash frequently, in the bathroom frequently. I clean the kitchen, refrigerator, and wash some dishes. I put my energy saving lights, plug them in the house because they're just going to fade melted plastic. They're pennies on the month, so they're better than anything you can buy right now. Anyway, yeah, but the good thing is paying $700 a month, you can get all the electricity you want, I guess. Really. So that's nice, but like I said, what I was talking about, it's really important, cleaning around your home, because electricity gets sucked, Plus we got a real bad mini roach problem, which I don't have the money to buy the damn little circular things which they go into, but that's not my problem. Which is defined as the work needed per unit charge by the test charge for the 2 points. The test charge being leaves and dirt, all that kind of stuff, and grass and weeds. In the international system unit drive unit voltage, potential difference is named volt. So, they're pumping volts out of the house, all that stuff. Anyway. So that's
latest strategy RPG, you must know how to form the best meta. First, pick Temujin.
Resistance anymore, everybody's using lots of power. Not in good condition. Over 50 years anyway. Electric power, blah 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 rate, whatever. I mean, they need much more as he wants these days. You pay for it. Heaters. Oh, I wanted to look at something actually. My computer actually runs in volts and really takes the energy. I'll show you. Right here, CPU Z. 13, 12, that's like 13 watts. 13 watts of energy. That's nothing. Stays at 32 all the time, 30 degrees Fahrenheit. I am using lots of RAM right now. 23% available. But I'm still on stacks. There we go. Whatever. Battery sensors. It's flat. 0.3 seconds maybe that much. Disk one. Android version 11. Okay, kernel architecture is x86. It's a 64-bit system, I think. Access? No. Wait, does it break? What was it? So it's after 14 hours. Anyway.